Today's topic is Google Alerts. Google Alerts is a free notification system that can provide you with emails about topics that you specify. It's a great place for you to put your name as a Google alert, as well as your business name, and as well as topics that you would like to share with your readers. This is a great way to develop content for your social media. So let's dive right in on today's quick quips and tips. With Google Alerts, it's a free system. You can go right into Google and you can set up these alerts. Now, there's a few tips and tricks I'm going to share with you, so make sure you watch us until the end. And if you find value in this, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. This is Google, just a regular Google page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Google Alerts. Now, there's many different ways you can do this. You can type in google.com/alerts. You'll see here that we've got a couple of alerts set up for my own business account. So I've got my name, I've got my company name with my LLC. I've got my company name as it stands. I was helping one of our clients, so we did their senior move managers on here, and I have my business teleprompter service that I want to make sure every time somebody says any of these things, I get an alert. Now, if I want to remove something that I create, you have this delete button. If I want to edit it, I have the little pencil icon. Let's go in and create an alert. I'm going to put in Clubhouse, a new social media service that's getting a lot of attention. And as you can see here, when I type in that word, I'm getting a lot of different things. Okay. You can come in here and show options. Now, when you show options, this is the email alert options that you'll get. So I can say, as it happens, and I will get a notification every time Clubhouse is mentioned. Now, this is a really hot topic right now. I would be inundated with emails. But if I'm using this for my business name, that's something different. I may want that as it happens. Now, sources give you options. It could be automatic, but you can say, I want all of these. And you can see as I'm going down, this is changing. So there's no video, right? But if I click web, news, blogs, right? Now these things are coming up if you wanted to. I'm going to click out of that. You can select your language. You can select your region, your country. And you can say, how many do you want? Do I want only the best or do I want everything? And then you select the email account that you want to have the email notification go to. You click create alert, and I would get an alert every time I get all those news or stories or posts get published. I don't want to do this, so all I'm going to do is click delete and it's gone. Now, one of the things you'll notice here is I have parentheses around my name. If I just said Master It Media, I would get a lot of stuff, and you can see here it's giving me anything with master. In order to help you, just put it in quotes, and now it's going to search for what's out there, like right now, what has just been published about Master It Media. Again, if I just search it, I can just search it and not create an alert, but I could just click create alert and it's going to take the defaults. And if you're talking about a specific topic that maybe your business is in and you want to make sure that you're staying on trend. So for example, home organizing. When I do that, and I'm again putting it in quotes because I want to search for that specific term, I can see what happens here in the news, and you can see down below the different things on home organizing. So, this might give you a little bit of help in your social media to decide if this is something maybe it'll inspire you to create a post on how to organize your refrigerator, for example. So, again, um, changing up these things is going to give you different um, different information that's down here. And don't forget, if you don't hit create alert, the alert doesn't get created. Once I hit create the alert, it then comes in here and I can go ahead and edit it, check it out. Like if I click on that, it brings me up the news. You can see here with the date, I can go back and look at something a little older if I wanted to. And that is how you can leverage Google Alerts to help you with your social media. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer any questions for you as it pertains to Google Alerts or any of your social media. Remember, my name is Maggie Carey at Master It Media. We are here to help you take the commotion out of your promotion.